Today we are going to cook these easy and super delicious baked potatoes. Let's go. First, take some potatoes. The size of them is important, not too big and not too small. Then peel the potatoes. Now I'm gonna use the magic of edit. Jijing! Put the potatoes in a pot of water and let it to get half boiled. Drain the potatoes. Now time for making potato balls from these potatoes. First, we cut a part of the potato so that it has a smooth surface. Then we cut around it with a knife. Now empty it with a spoon. Oopsie! And do the same for the rest of the potatoes. In a little bowl, pour oil, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, and thyme powder. You can use your own favorite spices. Add salt and half of a fresh lemon juice. Then cover the potatoes with it and season it well. It got a little messy around. Then put the potatoes in a fiberglass bowl. I put a garlic in it in case I like more of garlic taste on potatoes. Then put it in the oven. Meanwhile that the potatoes are baking, peel a carrot and chop it into small cubes. If you liked this video until here, don't forget to like and comment down below. Your support means a lot to me. Then pour oil in a pan and add the carrots. Let it fry. Add some cooked corn to it. A slice of Parmesan cheese. You can add more if you want. Then season it with salt and black pepper. By now the potatoes are baked. Fill them with corn and carrot. Pour some cheddar cheese on it and put them in the oven again for a few minutes. Now the delicious baked potato is ready to be served. You can add some parsley at the end for a better look. If you ever tried this dish, tell me your opinion in the comments. Thanks for watching until the end of this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel so I cook more delicious recipes for you.